Hello, welcome to the U of How To. This is going to be the first video in a series of videos on getting started with Google Classroom. And so there will be a series directed towards teachers and another series directed towards students. Okay, and so for this video, we are going to just learn as a teacher how to start a class and invite your students to become part of that class. Okay, so I'm here in my U of How To account, okay, and so I'm going to the waffle up here. I'm going to find Google Classroom. There it is. Okay, and I have a sample class already made from a different demo that I've done. Okay, so let's create a new one. So once you're here, we can go right to this plus sign, and if I hover over it, you can see it says create or join a class. So we are going to create a class. Okay, so select that and create. And so this won't be an issue for you if you are using your G Suite for Education account, your teacher account that has been assigned to you. You won't have to worry about this permission here. So I'm going to say that I am not. Okay, and so here we're just going to give the basics of the class, the basic information. Let's just say grade 9 math. Okay, create. Okay, and so Google just kind of inserts a banner here, a photo that matches the subject. So I said math, it threw a math photo in there. Okay, if you don't like that, you can upload a photo. Okay, or you can select a different theme here. So let's go to math science. Let's say I want this one. Okay, or you can upload your own photo. Okay, and so I'm not going to get into that right now. Okay, and so the very basics here, just to kind of show you. Right now we are in the stream. Stream should really be used for announcements. Okay, and in your stream you'll see upcoming assignments that are due, and your students will have this as well in their Google Classroom stream. Okay, and then you have your classwork. So classwork, this is where you're going to create assignments and use topics to organize classwork, whether it's lessons or quizzes, projects, whatever it might be. Okay, and I recommend here, this is where you can organize it into modules or units depending on how you're setting up your course. Okay, people. So teachers, you can actually collaborate and invite other teachers to be part of this class. So if you're team teaching, that's a great option, or if you just want to share your classroom, let's say you're teaching the same course as another teacher and you want to collaborate in that sense where you want them to see what you're posting and vice versa. Okay, so you can invite other teachers and you can invite students. Okay, and so there's two ways to invite students. One is to invite students by sending them an email. So if you have their email addresses, or if the email addresses are within your domain name, so your education account, the domain that has been assigned to your education account, then you would just be able to start typing their name and it would show up. Okay, so for myself, if I start typing in my first name, this shows up because I've received emails, so it's just going to recommend this. Okay, and so this is my education account, and that would be my domain, wecdsb.on.ca. So if I started typing names within that domain, it would just find those people. Okay, I'm going to use a different one here. So, and so it's okay. So once I've typed an email address that it recognizes, I can invite this student. Okay, so I can click, and then I can add another student here. And so you can keep adding students by name or email address and invite directly, okay, by sending them an email, or you provide your students with your course code. Okay, and that is seen here. Your class code is right there. Okay, And so if you're in class and you want to display this large, so students can see it if they have their mobile devices or a laptop, then you can just click on this and they can type in this code and they will be enrolled in your class. Okay, or you can send this out. This could be on your course outline or syllabus, however you want to get this course code to your students, and they can sign up directly for your class instead of you having to send emails to each individual student. Okay, that's it for this video. In the next video we'll get into more detail with how we can start posting announcements and organize our classwork, and what we can do and what actions are available once we have some students. Okay, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.